In this tutorial, we'll be reviewing the holy trinity of regret: could've, should've, and would've. Shout out to the amazing comedian Gary Goldman for teaching me this ingenious title for this video. In Hebrew, we construct could've, should've, and would've in a similar construct. First, we'll have to conjugate the verb haya into the past. Hayiti, hayita, hayit, haya, hayta, hayinu, hayitem, hayiten, hayu. Now that we've done that, we'll add the correct verb to construct what we're trying to say. For could've, add on yachol. For should've, add on tzarich. For would've, you don't add a verb, but many times you'll use the conditional im in the sentence. Worry not, my friends. I'll give examples for all of the above. Let's start off with could've. Remember, conjugate haya in the past and conjugate the verb yachol to the correct person in the present form. Examples: Chaval, הייתי יכול ללמוד את זה לבד. That's a shame. I could have learned that by myself. היית יכולה להגיד לי שאת עייפה. You could have told me you're tired. הייתן יכולות לבקר אותי. You could have visited me. Please notice, as an equal alternative, in each of these sentences above, I could have, pun intended, conjugated the verb yachol to form the same sentences. Examples: חבל, יכולתי ללמוד את זה לבד. That's a shame. I could have learned that by myself. יכולת להגיד לי שאת עייפה. You could have told me you're tired. יכולתן לבקר אותי. You could have visited me. Let's move on to should've. Remember, just like before, conjugate haya in the past, and then conjugate the verb tzarich to the correct person in the present form. Examples: היא הייתה צריכה לאכול ארוחת בוקר באותו הזמן. She should have been having breakfast at that time. היינו צריכים להגיד לך שאנחנו באים. We should have told you we're coming. הן היו צריכות ללמוד למבחן, לא לשחק. They should have been studying for the exam, not playing. And finally, would've. Here, all you need to do is conjugate haya in the past without any auxiliary verb. In many cases, you'll also be using the conditional im to form this sentence. Example time. הוא היה עושה כביסה אם היה לו זמן. He would have done laundry if he'd had the time. אם הייתם חכמים יותר, לא הייתם אומרים לו כלום. If you were smarter, you wouldn't have told him anything. הייתי הולך לישון מוקדם. המסיבה זוהי על הפנים. I would have gone to sleep earlier. This party sucks. As to the title of this video, make sure to watch Gary Goldman's amazing stand-up comedy. The link is in the description. Until next time, yalla bye.